clay. Totally doesn't matter. I don't even look at the instructions that come with it. Okay? I just throw that away. I'll just throw that back in the box. Okay. Now, this, alright, let me back up a little bit. Alright. I'm gonna do the glitter beads again. This time, though, I'm only gonna do one glitter. I'm gonna do the unicorn. This is Unicorn Art Crushed Crystal Magic Mica. I just always call it Unicorn Art. Unicorn pattern. This stuff is fabulously sparkly. So that's number 2. Then I'm going to do just a couple of the Let's Resin Chameleon powder. Okay. Then I'm going to do, these are, I'm going to call them cheap, but they're not. They're not expensive just because of the tiny amount you get. They're nail art powders. Okay, sorry about that. Of course, my camera didn't film any of the last video. And I did mica powder on a bunch of different beads. These are the chameleon powders. These rose gold, kind of pinky gold. These purple, these blue, these, and that's it. The rest of them were just nail art powders, other than these two right here. These are the what I always call the unicorn powder, which is actually a magical mica. Unicorn Art is who does that. And then these black ones, these are the eyeshadow, which is the cheap dollar store eyeshadow. And then these are just the cheap mica collection, like you can get off of eBay or Amazon or whatever. The green was actually really, really soft, and you can tell how much it wallowed out the hole. But still, pretend you saw this. I'm gonna do the gray clay, and then I'm gonna do these two. I'm gonna do glitters this time. I'm gonna do this one, which is a red-blue kind of combination. And then this is a green-purple kind of combination. Don't know why I chose the gray. It's actually a little firmer than some of the other colors, especially that green. It takes about a third of one of these, I don't know what it is, blocks. About a third to do 2 beads of each. So I'm going to roll it out on a 4 on my pasta machine. I'm going to cut out 4 circles and make 4 beads. And then I'll be back. But I'm going to put the glitter in these bags, and then I'll be back. In case you didn't see the last video, all I do really simple. Now at the last, I stretch my palms. It helps you roll around your bead. Alright, I'll do it one more time. I just fold it in half again. There you go. Now, I'll take a, not this one, but a pen, and poke the hole in the middle. It's as simple as this sounds. Finding the hole to stick it back into is probably the hardest part when you don't have your glasses on. Alright, just stick the pin in through both. Gives you a nice clean hole. Alright, I'll do a tiny little spoon. You can get these off of Amazon. A spoonful of glitter in each bag. Since I'm just doing 2 of each. Now, it's not mess free doing it this way, but it is glitter down. But with these, that are the combo glitters, they actually look better if you don't. Okay. Now, I'll just do the same with the other one. And then I'll bake these at 275 for 30 to 45 minutes. Just so you can see what they look like. See the difference. Really pretty. Now this is just the difference in the glitters themselves that makes it sparklier. Okay. So once again, I'll bake these at 275 for 30 to 45 minutes, and I'll be right back. Alright, while those are in the oven, I just wanted to say, it does actually matter what your base bead color is. Like, these are a green, obviously, a pink, a red. These are a white. Even the silver was a gray color. Alright? It does matter more on the glitter beads because the mica is more of an opaque. Obviously on the white you would need a white base. You wouldn't do it on a black. But other than that, there you go. Alright? I'll be back when the other ones are done. Alright, these did turn out really pretty. Alright, I'm just gonna gloss them now, put a gloss glaze on them. Okay, this is a little bit of Varathane that, I'm sorry, I will not be able to link it for you because I bought it years ago from a clay shop, and I don't think they carry it anymore. But you can pick it up at the hardware store, actually. It's a water-based, it's actually sold as a floor sealer. Be sure you get the water-based gun, though, because the oil-based will react with polymer clay. Okay, on these glitter ones, I kind of flood the surface, and not so much that it drips. I continually wipe it around. I just watch it for 10 minutes or so and spin it around so that I catch any drips. Now if I got one like that, I will blot it off a bit. Okay. Alright. They look a lot more similar. They're really pretty. These are the pinky blue ones. These are the green purple ones. Like I said, they're really similar. The foam stand, by the way, my husband just made it. It's just a piece of styrofoam mounted to 2 pieces of wood. We did it years ago, and I'm not kidding, I've had it for 10 years. So, there you go. I'm sorry. Totally screwed up tutorial. Wasn't really a tutorial. I was just showing you how you can use really inexpensive clay to make these. It works. It works. It works. Use SculpeyIII. Use, like I said, the cheap Amazon brand. I don't know what else to call it. The Arteza brand, that would work. Just some really sticky clay. And it works fantastic. So, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll try to leave links for the glitter and maybe a pack of clay or whatever down below. So, thank y'all so much for watching. I have Amazon link that I get a little kickback from. I do have an Etsy shop, but it's closed right now. The rest of my social media links are listed below. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.